Once upon a time, there was a warrior named Strong Wind, and he lived down by the sea. And he wanted to get married, and his sister set up a course, and they set up a contest to see who would marry Strong Wind.
Do you see Strong Wind?
Yes.
What is he carrying?
Feather?
You do not see Strong Wind. Do you see Strong Wind?
Yes.
What is he carrying?
A picture?
No, you do not see Strong Wind.
Then came out the youngest sister.
Do you see Strong Wind?
No. Wait a minute. He's standing right beside the canoe.
What is he carrying?
He's not carrying anything. He's standing right beside that canoe.
And they got married, and they lived happily ever after.
I'm Callie. I'm a name. I'm a bit. I'm big. I'm host sister. Old sister. And
I'm Liz, and I was the big sister.
I'm Hope, and I was the little sister.
I'm Andrew, and I was the narrator.
I'm Reed, and I was Strong Wind's sister.